want it to be a boy? Is it going to be a boy or a girl?
Boy.
Is it going to be a boy?
Yes.
So happy. We're excited to see you. And I was the first to know who you were.
What do you think the baby's gonna be? Is it a boy or girl? Doctor.
Boy. That's how you know he's high.
Well, I think we can see what she thinks, but...
Well, I think it's a girl because my daughter Bertha thinks it's a girl. So I'm gonna go with her
Gotta
opinion.
stick to her side.
Yep.
Team boy.
Team boy? Yeah. Man, so many team boys. Why do you think it's gonna be a boy?
I dream a lot of boys.
A lot of boys. So what are you team boy or team girl? You're wearing both colors.
Yeah,
so.
I'm basically.
So twins then.
Yeah, twins. I actually hope we're twins. Yeah.
I don't know what I think, but I'm hoping it's a boy.
Cadence. Is it gonna be a girl?
Yeah.
Daddy loves you. So just be who you are, do whatever you want, but just listen when I tell you so, because I'm just trying to save your life. Don't be like Cadence. Cadence, she crazy. But you know what? She will protect you forever.
So she got the muscles.
Yeah. But don't be crazy.